Hi ladies and gentlemen, 4K 60 frames per second, linear. This has just hyper smooth on regular, and this doesn't have anything but rock steady, so I can't give any other boost. We're going to try to go down the block. You're going to have a little bumps here and there, and then I'm going to switch over to boost, and off we go. Here we go. I hope this video was to your liking with the GoPro Hero 8 and the DJ Osmo action. Have a great day, everybody. I hope this comparison was to your liking. It kind of had this all set up the right way, so the angle may have been off, and I don't like to crank things down too hard. It did a great job, and I will do some comparisons side by side with a selfie stick rather than an RC car and take the chance. Thank you very much, my gig user. I see you all on the next one, and catch you all later.